Hey Bradley band students, this is Mr. Elizondo. I hope you're doing well. I am so excited about our upcoming summer band camp virtual edition this year. And we have some cool things lined up, some awesome teachers, and we're going to try to make the best of this that we can. We are all new at this stuff. Um, this video is to offer a little tutorial for you on setting up your Zoom so that you have the best experience. A lot of times if you remember, if you did some Zooms last year, the sound would cut out when someone would play or disappear or get real distorted. So we figured out some things that I am going to share with you. And please, 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 if you can, do this before your Zoom session tomorrow. Go to the preferences on your Zoom. Now I'm gonna minimize my video and we're gonna go to a screenshot so you can see exactly the steps that I'm gonna take to do it. Okay? So here we go. So I'm minimized here. Now you're seeing my desktop. What I'm going to do is my Zoom link is here. So wherever you open your Zoom at, you open it. And generally it's going to look like this. Okay. What I do here is I go to this little gear setting here. It's called settings. Click on that. And these are preferences you can, mess with if you want. I wouldn't change too much because if you get too far and clicking all these buttons, you're going to get lost and it's going to affect you and maybe something might not work right. So Uh, you have all your general settings here, videos here. There's a little bit of a delay there, but make sure you enable HD so that we have a good look at you on there. You can touch up your appearance. It's like a beauty mode, I guess, make you look real handsome or beautiful. Now, the one that I want you to focus on for sound is the audio version here. Okay, you see this speakers and your mic and all that good stuff. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to click down here at the advanced button. Okay. There are three things we're going to have to do. Show in meeting option to enable original sound. Okay, that's going to help you out with sounding a lot better so it doesn't sound grainy or whatever. Now, these other two are the very important ones. Suppress persistent background noise. We want to disable that and suppress intermittent background noise. We're going to disable that. Now, what that is that keeps the microphone from cutting out or distorting so where you're not able to hear or any of that stuff. Okay, good. And then after that, let's go back and we should be good to go. The other things that I want you to be aware of is that I want you to make sure that you have a good working pair of headphones so that you can turn down the audio, the actual speakers on your computer or iPhone or whatever. And these settings should be good for either iPhone, iPads, computers, whatever you're doing. Make sure that you go to these settings and get them done. Have a good pair of headphones so that you can hear. If you go through the speakers, you're going to create an echo. There's going to be an echo that's going on back and forth. So we don't want that. And you can get the headphones that came with your iPhone, the in-ears, the over-the-ear, whatever you want. So just make sure you get those settings done, play with them, and get them set for you to have a great experience with the Summer Band Virtual Edition. Okay. Throughout the week, I'll be giving more videos and tips as we tweak and we go. This is what this whole situation is about this year, kids, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to find the best plan for us, and we're going to tweak it as we go. So this is the first tweak. Tweak number one by Mr. Elizondo. Adjust the volume settings on your Zoom. Okay? See you guys later. See you tomorrow. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye.